Hi there, Annie Wang with Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to my newest listing, this beautiful single-level English country estate located near the Huntington Library in the city of San Marino. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go inside and check it out. Nestled in the neighborhood with historic and period homes, this house was completely renovated to provide easy indoor and outdoor entertaining. Multiple areas to hang out, perfect for multi-generational living. Let's go check it out.